two factored into having long hair. One, using the right product for your hair to grow, and two, using the right product so that you maintain all the length that you grow. Making me strong, yeah. Making me strong, yeah. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe right now. Don't forget to like and share my videos. Today, I'm going to be talking about my natural hair journey, the product I use in my hair, and just go over everything I've done since I cut my hair. It's almost 1 year. I'm only 2 days shy of 1 year since I went natural, and I'm just excited to share with you all the things I've learned along the way. I'm going to insert pictures of my journey right throughout the video, and I'm basically just going to talk about my experience with my natural hair and just give you just a breakdown of what it was like to go natural and just how much I'm enjoying this, as much as I thought I would enjoy it, but I didn't realize I would enjoy it this much. So first thing I want to break down is the way I care for my hair from beginning to end. Just tell you the product I use and how I care for my hair. So I pre-poo my hair using my natural conditioner that I use, and I will insert the description in the box so you can go ahead and watch it if you haven't already done that. So I pre-poo, and pre-pooing my hair, I'll just go in, detangle my hair, put my conditioner in, keep it overnight if I remember to do that the day before my wash. If not, I'll keep it in for an hour or two. Then I wash that out, and then I shampooed. So I use two different kind of shampoo, but this is how it works. I use a moisturizing shampoo every single time I wash my hair. But let's say I have a protective hairstyle in my hair that I keep in for more than 3 weeks, which means I haven't washed my hair in 3 weeks, and I keep adding product to it, my different kind of oil, my moisturizer that I make myself. Then I need to go in when I take that out and use my clarifying shampoo. I know a lot of people are against clarifying shampoo, but I want to take out all the buildup product that I have in my hair, but I will always follow up with my moisturizing shampoo. So 9 out of 10, I would say I do a protective. Well, since I have this my natural hair, I probably have 3 or 4 protective style, and each time I take that out, I'll use a clarifying shampoo after I pre-poo. Then I'll go back with my moisturizing shampoo. I also so then after that I do a deep conditioner, and for my deep conditioner, it's the same conditioner that I make, my aloe vera conditioner that I make at home. I'll go in and I'll apply that to my hair, and I let that sit there for an hour, 2, 3 hours, just depends on the time I have. I like to dedicate my entire Saturdays or Friday, if I don't work that Friday, to just do my hair, clean my house, and just get everything organized for the following week. So after I rinse out my conditioner, out of my deep conditioner, I would go in and use again the same moisturizing conditioner that I make with aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner, and then I follow through with some oils. I blend a bunch of different oils together. I have a video on that. You can check that out as well. So that's the typical times, but I also use a protein conditioner every 3 weeks. So for the entire month, I'll moisturize 3 times a week, and I'll protein condition 1 time a week, of which I use for my protein conditioner my rice water that I make, and I have a video of that you can check out later. After I use, on the 3rd week, however, when I use my protein conditioner, I always follow up with my moisturizing conditioner. I have 4C hair, and if you know anything about 4C hair, you know it is the driest hair that's been known. It is known to suck up every moisture that comes close to it. So everything I do, I moisturize my hair. If I have a protective style in, I spritz my hair at night with my moisturizer, follow through with my oils to seal the moisture in. So that's basically how I care for my hair and the product that I use. Because I'm experimenting with my natural hair, it's a struggle in the beginning because this is the first time in my life I have to take care of my natural hair. I think I got my hair processed, relaxed, perm, whichever term you use. I got that at an early age before I start caring for my hair, and I take good care of that. When I get time to take over my hair, when my grandmother stopped caring for my hair and my cousin stopped caring for my hair, and it was time for me to start caring for my hair, I have relaxed hair. So when I went natural, boy was I surprised, because it's completely different. And just imagine you have your hair all your life, and at 41 you start taking care of your hair. I cut my hair like a month and almost 2 months after my 41st birthday, and that was the first time I have to learn how to take care of my hair. So that was a challenge for me in the beginning, and it was a challenge because I have no idea what I was getting into. I know I wanted to go natural, but I didn't know how to care for my hair, so I started doing a lot of research and product to use, and I was very confused. And so I kind of went back in the day when we use our aloe vera in our oil in our hair and our coconut oil in our hair, and I just remember coconut oil, aloe vera, and I remember castor oil as a kid when, you know, someone else was caring for my hair, so I kind of went back to that. So, and at night when I go to bed, I always use a bonnet or a silk cap, a silk bonnet or a silk or satin pillowcase to kind of protect your hair, because the cotton dry your hair out, and we're not about drying our hair out. We want beautiful hair that shines. So I sleep on that. And I must tell you though that when I started my natural hair journey, I've always admired ladies with natural hair, but when I was younger, it was the older ladies that have their hair natural. I thought it was so cute. Especially I saw my aunt, she had low cut hair, very beautiful lady, oversized earring, and I saw and I thought, oh my God, when I get older, I'm gonna have my hair like that. Because of course, when I was growing up, it was just not something we do. We get to the age like 12 or 13, and it was like a rite of passage to get your hair processed. So I just thought, you know, it was what you do. You process your hair, and when you get to a certain age, you can do it. And then when I started my career, I noticed that it wasn't really a thing and it was frowned upon. But thank God now we're seeing more and more people with it. So when I decided to cut my hair, I thought, okay, let me go out and I get some wigs, because of course I'm gonna need some wigs to wear, because I'm not gonna go out in public with this. Well, surprisingly, the very first night I cut my hair, I went out and I was just feeling myself. You couldn't tell me anything. I was gorgeous and I just love my hair. And to be honest, since that day, I must have wear my wig 3 or 4 times. It's just been my natural hair. Playing around with it from before I could do nothing to it, not even put in a clip, to now I can put a clip and have different styles. And throughout that whole time, I'm enjoying it. It was nothing. I know I wanted to go natural. I just didn't expect to enjoy it as much as I do, especially in the beginning. Boy, did I save time. Those summer wash and go head to toe shower is the best in summer. In the summer months when I just got my hair cut, I enjoy that moment. And as much as I'm enjoying my growth with my hair, I'm really, truly missing those days when I can get up in the morning, go in the shower, wash my hair, take a shower, get ready for work, and everything just feels good. So now I don't do that as much because my hair requires a lot more product. And so I have to keep adding products to my hair. I take longer to wash my hair because it needs time to dry. It needs time, you know, to twist out so that I can have these lovely curls. So now, after 1 year, almost 2 more days shy of 1 year of natural hair, I just want to go in right now and measure my hair to see how much it grows. I've never measured my hair before. I've always been like, oh, we'll see. I often think though that my hair grow awfully fast. I think it grows fast, but we'll see. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and measure my hair and see how much it grows. But I can tell you one thing for sure, my hair retains every single inch that it grows. And I know that because about a month after, I don't know if you can see the color, but about a month after I did cut my hair, I went in and I colored my hair, and the colors are still there. So I often hear people say, oh, my hair don't grow, my hair can't grow. Yes, hon, your hair grow, but it breaks if you don't care for it. Your hair grow, we know this because if you've ever processed your hair, you see the perm is grow out and your natural hair comes in the root. Your hair grow because if you color your hair like mine, you'll see where it grows out. So stop getting that mentality that my hair don't grow. And as much as I focus on hair growth, I also focus on retention. So of course I want my hair to grow. I want my hair to be this big puffy thing. But I also know that if I don't retain the length that I already grow, my hair is never going to be long, because two factored into having long hair. One, using the right product for your hair to grow, and two, using the right product so that you maintain all the length that you grow. Because if you're mistreating your hair and your hair is growing maybe a ½ inch a month or an inch a month, if you're not retaining the length you're growing, you will never see length. So that's what we're gonna get our mindset into: growing long, healthy hair, retaining the length we already have, caring for your hair because it's delicate, moisturizing your hair, moisturize your hair, moisturize your hair, moisturize your hair. I think proof that you don't have to go out and buy expensive product for your hair to grow and to look healthy, because like I said, I mix oils and I have an oil video. I said that before. My deep conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my pre-poo, the conditioner I use for pre-poo, and I made those from an aloe vera plant that cost $1.90. Sometimes I paid $2 for it. Sometimes I can't find any and my sister mailed me some from the Bronx. But either way, that one piece of aloe vera for $1, $2, it lasts for a month. So you don't need expensive product to grow your hair. And that's something I want to push forward. So here I'm just going to go in and measure my hair to see, and it looks like a little under 5 inches, about, yes. And then try the other side, and why does this side seems a little shorter, but yeah, a little over 4 inches there. That side look a little shorter, and let's see there, that part is look like the tallest part there. What am I doing? Okay, so give and take 5 inches. That's how I care for my hair. That's the length my hair is now, and I'm looking forward to another wonderful year of natural hair. And I'm just going to keep documenting my hair. I'm just going to keep making my own product, and I'm just going to see where it takes me. So again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you make it that far, you might as well just subscribe. And next week, by the way, I'm going to show you how I make onion juice. Yes, onion juice to regrow my hair. Right there. I did get some braids and that kind of take that out, and I'm just gonna do that. So yes, have a good week. See you. Bye.